From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 9. Powered by Century Ply and Flamingo Heat Belt.
Good evening and welcome, my dear viewers. Today, a couple of hours back, my colleague, friend and the Group CEO of the Republic Media Network, Vikas Kanchandani, walked out of Taloja jail. Vikas was first put in police custody after being abducted from his house. He was abducted illegally on Sunday morning without any shred of papers. They walked into his house ahead of his anticipatory bail application and they abducted him. All of India has been totally shocked. What is the Mumbai police doing? It's down to abducting a top media professional. But yes, that's exactly what happened. The incredible thing when Vikas walked out today after spending days in police custody and then being put in Taloja jail was that he walked out absolutely as unruffled as he went in. I had said that on the day he went in, I said Vikas will go in with his head held high and will come out with his head. He will come out with his held head even higher. And that's exactly what happened. Ladies and gentlemen, there are a few fundamental things that I need to present before you. Point number one. Examine these facts. This is the fourth arrest. This is the fourth professional from the Republic Media Network who is in jail. 1,000 hours of semi-custodial interrogation has happened. Viewers, I think there have been more than 200 summons to different people in our organization. A British era 1922 law has been used by the Mumbai police to incarcerate Republic and put effectively an FIR against all the journalists of the Republic Media Network. I wonder what more needs to be done. If you look at the sum total of all that has happened, it is a series of illegalities. So the first point that I want to make is today that this is essentially wrong. And none of this is holding in court. The police is misusing its powers of investigation. And it is becoming apparent that each time they go to court, they come back with one defeat. And yet they continue. The second point I want to make today is I think the Mumbai police, the Maharashtra government has frankly overdone it. And they should know the principle that when you overdo things, when you overdo malice, when you overdo vendetta, then the law of diminishing returns begins to apply. And that is exactly what has happened in the case of the Mumbai police. A police force that was once seen as one of the most able and professional in the country and perhaps in the world, the acts of some police officers within that force has truly diminished the way the credibility of the force has been impacted. And this is something the Mumbai police and all senior policemen now need to think about. This daredevilry, this gangsterism, these illegal tactics, none of this works, viewers. Fundamentally, as Vikas said today when he came out, the last couple of months have made the organization even more resilient. And viewers, you know, I know, everybody knows what the Mumbai police and the Maharashtra government are trying to do. They couldn't deal with our coverage on Palghar, so they are doing this. They couldn't deal with our coverage on Sushant, so they are doing this. They disagreed with our questions on Sonia Gandhi and Tonia Maino, so they are doing this. They indeed went on to become extremely uncomfortable when we exposed the plot in Hathras, so they are doing this. They think, and the operational word today is think. They think, they imagine, they hallucinate that they can impact Republic. Republic has become in the last few months even more resilient, much stronger, much more sure of itself. with a massive expansion plan before it. Today, exactly at the time Vikas Kanchandani walked out of Taloja jail and said the same words. He said his words were after Satyameva Jayate, he said, without batting an eyelid, he said, what has happened in the last 2 months, I think has made the Republic Media Network as a large media organization more resilient, extremely powerful and strong. It has made our brand even stronger. The core values of this brand, nationalism, straightforwardness. We give a damn approach to people who are not comfortable with our nature of journalism, with the questions which we raise. Fundamentally, viewers, therefore, there was a great symbolic significance when the moment Vikas walked out, we all stood together as one team. Those who are behind the camera and those who are in front of the camera all stood together as one team, and we made one big announcement. We announced officially the launch of Republic Bangla, our Bangla, Republic Bangla, what will be the #1 Bengali news channel in a few months to come. And this moment turned out to be yet another inflection point for our organization. I wish I could face these perpetrators of crimes against us face to face if they had the courage to, and tell them, the more you commit these illegalities, the stronger our organization becomes. The more threats you issue, the more sure we are of ourselves. Your vaporizing conduct is making you questionable in the eyes of the people of this country. And if you have a few henchmen here and there who you use to mutilate our democracy, those individuals must introspect tonight. Republic is unbreakable, viewers. And Republic will be the first news organization from India to operate in the global media market. All these are not even pinpricks for us. We believe it is part of a journey that we are destined to follow. And our organization, each member of the Republic Media Network, even stronger today with your support, to fight it out in the courts of public opinion and in the highest courts of our country, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your support. Vikas is out of Taloja. Our organization goes from strength to strength, as does every message that comes from you, every email, every phone call, every tweet from your side means a lot to just to me, but to every member of the Republic Media Network. Thank you for your support, ladies and gentlemen. Let the fight continue. It's a good fight. Even if sometimes people think this battle is lonely, it's not, because we have everyone from the country on our side. So thank you for your support, viewers. Now let's begin the debate tonight. I come to you with 3 big debates this evening. Debate number 1 this evening. The Supreme Court steps in. The Prime Minister assures anarchy must end in the name of farmers. Debate number 2 this evening. Yes, we at the Republic Media Network are delighted that we are closer to the Uniform Civil Code. The Republic Media Network supports one nation, one law. And debate number 3 tonight, we respect all languages, but Mr. Kamala Hassan, you cannot call Sanskrit a dead language. That's debate number 3. All this and more will come up, and here are the headlines this Wednesday evening on the debate tonight. Republic Group CEO Vikas Kanchandani walks out of Taloja jail after 3 nights of incarceration with even more confidence on his side. The Supreme Court shortlists 8 farmer unions, sets the stage for structured talks to end the deadlock. Doors closed for anarchist element, lobby sulks as a top court puts talks back on track. Modi government's bonanza for sugarcane farmers, a 3,500 crore immediate aid package for the sector. step closer to one nation, one law. The Supreme Court issues notice to the centre on the Uniform Code. And Kamala Hassan calls Sanskrit a dead language, triggers language debate in the 21 Tamil Nadu campaign. Ladies and gentlemen, we here at the Republic Network believe in Samvad se Samadhan. Talks will lead to a solution. Tonight, as the Supreme Court sets the framework for structured talks with 8 Kisan unions, the motivated lobby doesn't know what to do. It is sulking because the entire free run they've had for anarchist elements for the last 3 weeks is now over. It's history. Now we'll have a structured dialogue. Here is what the top court said, and then we debate.
Open support for Tukre Gang. Slogans wishing upon the death of Prime Minister. And repeated calls for blockade.
कल का जो भारत बंद है ये सिद्ध कर देगा कि सारा देश चाहता है कि ये कानून रिपील किए जाएं। धन्यवाद।
In the course of the 21-day protest, the issues surrounding farmers were taken over by anarchist elements. And Supreme Court's timely intervention has ensured that framework is set for structured talks.
The Supreme Court today has officially stepped in to take matters into their own hands. The Supreme Court today has suggested formation of a committee that will contain representatives from the farmer unions as well as the central government to resolve the long-standing issue of the 3 farm laws and bring to an end the farmer protests that have led to the blocking of the borders around the national capital for the past 3 weeks.
The Supreme Court has shortlisted 8 Kisan unions to be party in the case and negotiate with the government for a speedy resolution. So at a time when government too has kept its doors open for talks,
किसान बेहतर जिंदगी जी सकें, फ़ायदे की खेती कर सकें, इस नीयत से कानून बनाया है। लेकिन फिर भी हम ऐसा मानते हैं कि हम ही सर्वशक्तिमान नहीं हैं, यूनियंस के दिमाग में भी कोई बात हो सकती है, तो बात करके उसमें सुधार करने के लिए सरकार तैयार है।
The likes of Yogendra Yadav, who were seen provoking the farmers, have now panicked. He tweeted, and I quote, "The Supreme Court can decide whether this law is constitutional or not. But whether it will benefit the farmers or not is not a legal matter. It will have to be resolved only by farmers and public representatives. It is not the job of the court to call for truce." Farmers' organizations have dismissed the decision on committee on December 1st itself. Now, with the court shutting down the lobby by making guidelines for talks, will the deadlock end soon? Let's debate.
Okay, we'll have a straightforward debate. Question number 1 tonight, Gaurav Bhatia, you can take that. Ajay Alok, M.R. Venkatesh, Shantanu Gupta, Monojit Mandal, Mashender Singh Grewal, Vivek Srivastav, Chaudhary Pushpender Singh. Question number 1 tonight, who the hell is Yogendra Yadav? The man cannot win 300 or 400 votes in an assembly seat. Fights for, gets 1500 votes.
Winning is not everything.
Is a political nobody.
Winning is not everything. Every citizen
has
has the right
never
to
had
comment.
any electoral success.
And he has been working for the farmers for quite a few
Represents
years
fewer
now.
people than you would have in a college election. Fewer people would represent, get fewer votes than you would get in a college election
In a political
or a
party,
school
he's also a
election.
civil rights activist.
Who the hell is he? Who the hell is he?
Elections are not
Speak on behalf of
And
farmers.
winning is not important. It's your
I mean,
agenda.
if like this, everybody with 20 followers on Twitter will become a farmer leader.
Nobody has the right to ask a question.
No, who is he? What is his locus standard? Sorry, but what is his locus
He has been
standard?
working for the farmers
Who
for
is
quite a
he?
few
How
years
is
now.
he suddenly jumped into the fray? No, he's a Shaheen Bagh. He's a Shaheen Bagh leader. I'm sorry.
If you trace out the history
He's
of
a
the
Shaheen Bagh leader. Wasn't he a Shaheen Bagh leader?
As a civil rights activist, he has been doing
No,
it.
Shantanu, wasn't he a
And,
Shaheen
I
Bagh
mean, it's not a
leader
question of
till yesterday?
visibility. Where does visibility come?
No, that keeps changing under
Anybody
every
has a
3 months.
right to
That
come
keeps
and
changing
stand for
every
the
3 months.
farmers. Any
He was a
citizen
Shaheen
Vijay
Bagh
Prasad,
leader,
the man
Shaheen Bagh
represents
leader,
nobody but
Kisan
himself.
become some other leader.
There is no barring anyone. If the farmers feel
Most
he's
of
the
our
right man
viewers
to
have more
represent them,
followers than him.
let it happen.
Pardon me? Which
Followers
farmer
can
is
be
felt?
winning an election is just one part.
Which farmer? Varavara Rao.
No, I mean, he has been working with the farmers.
No, which
consistently
farmer
for the
has
last
felt?
2 to 3
Sarjil
years.
Imam.
Abhi, if he is there, VM Singh is there, All India Kisan Sabha is there,
Yeah.
if everybody is
Okay,
over there,
Arnab, allow
and
me now.
everybody is
Can I come in
jointly
and I
trying to
can
agitate,
respond to Mr.
I do
Srinivas?
not know why you are trying to give the leaders a bad name.
Who is he? The Supreme Court
It's
has
not a question of winnability.
framed the rules.
No farmer
The
who's
Supreme Court
agitating
has
over
decided
that
how the
can win.
dialogue will
They're
happen.
all
I mean,
poor
come on now,
farmers.
don't.
But that doesn't
Come
mean
on,
that
this
they don't raise
anarchy
their
has to
voice,
stop somewhere.
and that doesn't mean
Gaurav Bhatia
that
is
they
on the
don't
debate.
agitate.
You're loving the anarchy too much.
Okay.
You're loving
So
the
I
anarchy
hope-
too much, but we won't
There is
allow
no
it.
anarchy.
I
It's a
hope
civil
my
rights
friend will
movement.
listen to me
A
now.
movement
I
of the
heard him very
citizens,
patiently.
and it should happen.
Mr.
And we should
Srivastava,
There is no
Mr.
anarchy.
Mention-
There's an attempted anarchy.
Justice Srivastava, can I now speak? I heard you.
There is no
You
anarchy at
respond
all.
when I'm done.
It's a movement of the
Okay,
citizens.
Justice
And if you don't
Srivastava,
respect the
can I-
farmers, you
Arnab,
don't respect
please-
India.
Please
If you
ask him
don't
to be
respect
quiet.
farmers,
I
you
think
don't
he's
respect
in
India.
love with his voice. He'll not be quiet. Please, may I, sir, Justice Srivastava? Can I? Please.
No, I'm in love.
First of
I'm
all-
in love with India, and I'm in love with the
Okay, thank
farmers.
Very good.
You are in
very
love
good.
with winning.
Everyone is in
You are
love with India.
100%
I don't
FDI.
doubt it.
You are in love
You
with
are-
Ambani and Adani. You
You
are in love with Sood Murthy
India.
Sarkar.
I'm sure
You
of
are in
that.
love
Now
with Ambani
listen to
Adani bill. I'm not. I love
Arnab,
this. I
chup
love this
kara
country, and I love this
No,
poor
I am
farmers
not doubting
who are
that for a
agitating.
moment.
And they have
Are
a right
you waiting
to
for my
agitate.
certificate?
And they are poor people.
I certify.
And if these
You are
farmers
in love
cannot
I
with
don't have any
India.
dispute with that.
Goswami,
I
you
certify.
cannot say
Okay, now
ये
be quiet.
farmers जीत नहीं सकते हैं, तो भैया
अब
agitate नहीं
अर्नब,
करेंगे.
प्लीज अर्नब, ये कोई तरीका नहीं है डिबेट का, ये ऐसे ही करते हैं. अभी फिर सुनिए भी तो. सर, मैंने आपको 2 मिनट सुना. आपको
अरे सर, आप
सुनिए.
बोलिए ना, आपको कोई रोक रहा
आप
है
चिल्लाइए
क्या?
मत, ठीक है.
आप
पहली
बोलिए
बात,
ना सर.
अर्नब,
आपके लिए
First
तो
of
पूरा
all,
स्टेज
Arnab,
सजाना पड़ता है.
I
Anchor
want
आपकी
to
तरफ,
congratulate
स्टेज
you
आपका,
and the
माइक
Republic
सबसे डाउन
channel
आपके लिए, तब आप बोलेंगे.
for making this big announcement that you are launching the Bengali version of your channel. I think the Bengalis as well as the entire country is waiting for it. Now let me start by saying the Supreme Court today has said exactly what Narendra Modi ji said yesterday, that we are open to a dialogue, and in a democracy, solutions can only come through a dialogue, not through by chanting slogans like "Hi Hi Modi Mar Ja Tu."
There was
Hi, hi,
no
Modi,
dialogue
mar
in the
ja tu.
parliament when you passed the bill.
Please, I will not.
There
I
was
will not
no
debate
dialogue
like
in the
this. Please,
parliament
I
when
will
you
not
passed the
debate.
bill.
You lower his fader or
Sir, there
Arnab,
were
I
no
will.
opposition
I'll
leaders in
debate.
the
Vivek, thank you.
Please.
Can we have 2 verses
This
to
is-
Vivek?
this
Can you
is
take a
cheap.
pause for a
This is
minute, please?
cheap.
This
Vivek,
is
can you
cheap.
take a pause? This is not
This
the
is
way.
cheap.
Vivek, you had the whole introduction. You know, you can't be heckling for 20 minutes. I don't enjoy it.
This
I
is
don't
cheap.
enjoy it.
Okay.
I don't enjoy it. You can be an anarchist. You can be an anarchist in the roads and then you'll be arrested. Don't be an anarchist on my program now, please.
not an anarchist.
I know you're an anarchist.
I stand for the farmers.
The whole country knows that
I
you're
stand
an
for the
anarchist.
farmers.
Now, Arnab,
And they're
I know your
I'm not an
tendency.
anarchist. We
Thank you
stand
very much.
for the
There are others
farmers and
speaking.
their agitation and their
Yeah.
demands. This bill was passed
Arnab,
without a discussion.
let me make a very
Take a break.
categorical
Okay, others, please.
statement
Thank you.
on behalf of
Thank
the
you, thank
Bharatiya
you, thank
Janata
you.
Party. As Modi ji has said, we are willing to talk to all the farmers who are protesting. They are very respected members. They are the backbone of our country. But Sharjeel Imam for us is not a farmer. Let me make it very clear. Umar Khalid is not a farmer. He is facing serious charges. And who are we talking about? We were talking about Yogendra Yadav. He lost the Lok Sabha election of 2014 by a margin of 2.71 lakh. Atishi Marlena lost by 2,19,000. Arvind Kejriwal lost the election of 2014 by more than 2 lakh votes. VM Singh lost the election of 2009 from a Congress ticket by 1,38,000 votes. And let's not forget the Shaheen Bagh protester, Mr. Taslim Rahmani. He had illegal funding of 122 crores. How many votes did he get? 150. My next point is, Supreme Court has made it very clear, the right to protest is available to every citizen. But there are 3 conditions. First, it should be done at a designated site. Second, public roads cannot be blocked. And third, it has to be non-violent. So how can you make slogans which incite others, that is unconstitutional. And I'm so very grateful to the Supreme Court of India that it has taken cognizance of this matter
does it
and it
become
has
violent,
invited
Mr.
the farmers for a
Gaurav
talk. Please don't, मनोजीत जी,
This
वादा
particular
करता हूँ पूरी
protest
डिबेट में बोलने नहीं दूंगा
is going-
अगर चूचू चाचा किया नहीं पूरी डिबेट में बोलने नहीं दूंगा ये
अरे
वादा
भाई,
है
आप
मेरा
बहुत बोल रहे
चुप
हो।
हो जाइए फिर
सबसे
अपनी
बोल
बारी
रहे
में
हो ना।
बोलिएगा मैं पूरी डिबेट में आपको चूचू चाचा
क्या
अगर अभी
धमकियां?
किया तो बोलने
किस
नहीं
तरह का
दूंगा।
धमकियां
आपकी
देते हो?
मर्जी है लेट मी मेक माय पॉइंट एंड देन यू कम
देखो कैसे
इन
धमकियां देते
My,
हो
my
कैसे
third
धमकियां
point
देते
is,
हो?
see, Arnav, what do they want? According to them, these validly passed 3 acts are unconstitutional. Who are they to decide? CA, passed validly, unconstitutional. Article 370, unconstitutional. So now, are we going to pass the laws on the streets of Shaheen Bagh? Parliament is the temple of our democracy. If you have a problem, you challenge the law. Let the Supreme Court decide. And as for dialogue, the dialogue with the farmers will continue, but we will not tolerate any anti-national joining this protest, masquerading as a farmer and trying to jeopardize our national integrity. That will not be tolerated.
I think I would bring the entire debate down to one line, which I want to one line which I want to ask Manojit Mandal. Manojit, 1 minute, one line. Unlike you, one line. You see, you must look at what Chief Justice Bobde and Justice A.S. Bopanna and V. Ramasubramaniam have said when they put forth the adoption of a Supreme Court monitored committee. And you know, whatever our differences are, we must eventually bow down to the Supreme Court. Let us not become so arrogant that we don't listen to the Supreme Court. The court said we will form a committee to resolve the dispute. It will have members of Bharatiya Kisan Union, Government of India and all other farmers' organizations. We will ask farmer organizations to be part of the committee as it will become a national issue. Now this is the way dialogue happens. Either we say we don't want dialogue.
But this is what. This
Now what did Chief Justice Bobde say, taking note of the standstill in the current talks? He said, what are you saying, Ajay?
I'm saying, but this was not the way they planned. That's why they are disturbed. Look at Mr. Vivek Srivastava and other people. They are very much disturbed. Why this talks is happening? We never wanted any talks. We only wanted protest. We only wanted instability. We only wanted chaos. We only wanted Delhi to be surrounded.
Only one side interview.
Just relax. Just relax.
You allowed opening with BJP man.
NDA didn't create the problem. You are the problem.
Ajay Alok and Mr. Grewal. The debate will be between Ajay Alok of the JDU and Mashender Singh Grewal, please. Yes, Mr. Grewal, what are you telling Ajay Alok, please? You're on the screen, yes. What are you saying? I'm not only giving one side, I'm opening up to all sides as usual.
I must say here that it's not the duty of the Supreme Court to administer the nation. It's the job of the government. Supreme Court only interprets the law. I think it proves the failure of the government when Supreme Court takes call for finding administrative solutions. The best thing is government should hear it. See, farming committee is diluting the message which farmers give to the government of India. I think it is totally unjustified. Mr. Bhatia said, Mr. Bhatia said that they can only sit at the notified place. Then allow them to go to Jantar Mantar. Why you block them from entering the Delhi? What option they have got when you block them? Second thing is,
how will you find the solution, sir? How will you find the solution if you don't talk?
Listen. Don't worry.
You, but how will you find the solution if you don't come on the table?
Listen me. Oh, please listen me. Please listen me. Please listen. Please don't interfere. Gentlemen, please listen me. Don't spoil the debate.
By the Supreme Court
you can say your thing later.
The government
please
has miserably failed to resolve this issue.
Please listen me. Don't interrupt me. Gentlemen, you may be supporting the farmers, but don't interrupt me. What you are doing? Is this the debate?
Fighting among each other now.
Now, please wait.
I'm not interrupting.
No, I'm not going to listen.
Okay, thank you, Manojit.
Now the second thing.
You're fighting among each other.
Second thing, Gaurav Bhatia, you must be aware of this. That Supreme Court is already seized of the matter in writ petition.
Look at Gaurav Bhatia though, he's smiling.
This is a public interest litigation by a law student,
Look at the way
and
he's
Supreme
smiling.
Court taking this
Can
notice.
I respond to you, Mr. Garewal?
It is simply diluting the demands of the farmers, and
Garewal
I
ji,
think
can I
the
respond to you?
Honorable Supreme Court should not perform the parts of the government
No,
duty.
Garewal ji,
It's
I will respond to you.
administrative
Arnab, can
government.
you give me a minute? I'll quickly respond. There are two things that Mr. Garewal has pointed out. First, he has said it is the duty of the Supreme
One
Court.
point to that, Mr. Bhatia.
Please, go ahead, Manoj ji. Please add your valuable
Yes, the Supreme Court stepping in points at the glaring failure of the government. This government is deficient in resolving the issue. That's why
Okay.
the Supreme Court is stepping
So-
in. As it were, the Supreme Court is now playing the role of the executive. This is a daring, glaring failure of the government. What
Can
are you
I-
talking
can I
about? For
now
the last
respond?
22 days, you could not solve the problem, and you have the 303 MPs.
Why your Chief
It's
Minister
because
is
you
eating
believe
kacha
in
kela?
majoritarianism. It's a kind of fascism
Okay, so
that you
Arnab, now
believe
can I
in.
respond
That's
one
why
by
you
one?
could not
Manojit
solve the
bhai.
Okay,
problem.
Manojit ji,
Had
I
you
would
had
like to
any
respond to
democratic
Garewal
belief
ji
in him,
and to
you
Manojit
could have
ji.
solved the problem even in the parliament. Why don't
Okay.
you call the session of
Well,
the parliament
good
and resolve
point
the
made.
issue?
Good
You
point
don't
made.
believe in
It
democratic
is good
values.
till I respond. Okay, now hear me out. Mr. Garewal, first thing you said is that the Supreme Court is there to only interpret the law. Do you know why this petition has been filed? Because every citizen also has the right to roam freely. When public places are blocked, it causes inconvenience to the citizen. It is an infringement of their right. So therefore, Supreme Court is right. It is the guardian of fundamental rights. Second, you said designated place. Tell me something, sir. If there is a designated place in Delhi, why can't the farmer go to the designated place in Punjab in that district? Every district will have a designated place. You expect Tamil Nadu farmer should be allowed to come to the designated place of Delhi. No, sir, it doesn't work like that.
Why
The
not?
farmers can...
Why
Please,
not?
sir,
Why
Garewal ji,
not?
I did not
Delhi
interrupt.
doesn't
I did
belong to
not
them.
interrupt you.
You
Did I
stop them
interrupt
from
you?
coming to Delhi.
Hear me now. Sir, I will tell you. Little knowledge that I have. Every district has a designated place. If the farmers or any person wants to protest, he goes to the designated place of that district. It is nobody's right that I will only protest in Delhi. So please, we have to maintain law and order also. Right to protest is not absolute. Third, Manojit Mandal ji, you have no faith in the Supreme Court otherwise also. If you had faith, tell me an RC was implemented by Supreme Court order.
Arre, why did I say this?
Please
Why
be
did I
quiet.
say this?
Now, let me respond.
I
You
said
will
the
hear me.
Supreme Court had to step in because you failed.
So
You
can I
failed.
respond now?
No, you can't distort my
अच्छा, I
words.
can't respond. Okay, मैं
You are
डर गया.
distorting my
मैं डर
words.
गया. आप तो गुंडागर्दी वाले हैं ना, मैं डर गया. चलिए मैं चुप हो जाता. अपनी बारी में बोलिएगा. आपको इतनी इज्जत दी. ममता
Please mind
बनर्जी
your
इतनी
language.
इज्जत नहीं देती आपको.
Please
क्या
mind your
language
language.
तो आप बीच
But you
में
are known
बोलने
for this
लगते हैं.
kind of language
अच्छा
only.
लगता है ये.
Saddest part of the story is that you are known for this kind of
तो आप
language
अपनी बारी में बोलिए. My point is simple.
Saddest part of the
NRC was
story
being
is that you are known
implemented
for
under
this
the
kind of
orders of the
language
Supreme
only.
Court. You are a supporter of Mamata Banerjee. How dare Mamata Banerjee say NRC will not be implemented, otherwise there will be civil war. How dare she say that? So you don't talk about Supreme
Look at
Court.
yourself. Your
Never
Prime
ever
Minister
talk
withdrew
about
it.
Supreme Court.
Your Prime
You
Minister
people
withdrew
do not
NRC.
accept the verdicts of the
So are you
Supreme Court
implementing NRC?
that are not according
So
to
are
your
you
politics.
going to implement
Your chief
NRC in
politics.
India?
Yes,
Are you
NRC
going to
will be-
implement NRC in
NRC
India?
has to be implemented because
Yes.
that is the law of the
Yes,
land.
we know that.
Do you
We know,
understand?
we know.
I'm saying it very
Yes,
categorically.
yes. So you are going to
NRC,
implement NRC in
NPR,
India
this
next.
is law of the land. Read the
Yes.
law. अच्छा, एक चीज बताइए मनोजीत जी. एक क्वेश्चन है, मैं
yes.
चुप हो जाऊंगा.
So big-
तीनों
big
law
breaking
के
news.
name
Gaurav
the
Bhatia
three laws.
said
मनोजीत
BJP is going to
मंडल.
implement NRC.
Manojit
After you
Mandal,
both
just a
finish, I want to
in
come back to the
30
debate.
seconds. Just 30 seconds.
After
Name
you
the
both
three laws.
finish, I will come back to the
Arnab,
debate.
I wish to
Manojit
congratulate
Mandal,
you
name the
first.
three
I
laws.
wanted to congratulate you.
Name the three laws.
I wanted to
Manojit Mandal.
congratulate you, Arnab.
Name the three
In
laws.
Bangla,
Three
তোমাকে
farming
অনেক
laws.
অনেক
Can you name
শুভেচ্ছা।
them?
It would be most appropriate to congratulate
See,
you
he
in
is not
Bangla.
really-
তোমাকে
Arnab,
অনেক
he
অনেক
doesn't
শুভেচ্ছা,
even
but it
know
would be
the
most
names of
fitting
the
if
three
the
laws.
event is
I
taking
will
place in
keep on saying.
Kolkata.
And he wants to debate. আচ্ছা,
কনগ্রাচুলেট করতে পারলাম না কারণ তুমি এত ঝগড়া লাগিয়ে দাও, শুরুতেই কথা বলা যায় না।
এম্পাওয়ারমেন্ট এন্ড প্রোটেকশন অ্যাক্ট, হোয়াট ইজ সেকশন 8 এন্ড সেকশন 15?
না ঝগড়া আমি কিছু লাগাচ্ছি না, আমি বুঝতে পারছি না আপনি কোন ব্যাপারে আমাকে কংগ্রাচুলেট করছেন দাদা, আপনি কোন ব্যাপারে আমাকে কংগ্রাচুলেট করছেন একটু আমাকে বলুন, বুঝতে পারছি না চেঁচামেচির মধ্যে।
তুমি বাংলায় লঞ্চ করছো তোমার চ্যানেল, বাংলায় চ্যানেল লঞ্চ করছো, তাই আই এম কনগ্রাচুলেটিং ইউ ইন বেঙ্গলি। ইটস মোস্ট ফিটিং টু কনগ্রাচুলেট ইউ ইন বেঙ্গলি। তোমাকে অনেক অনেক শুভেচ্ছা।
হ্যাঁ
अर्नब जी, कैन आई रिस्पॉन्ड?
ধন্যবাদ। আমি কলকাতা থেকে নিজের ক্যারিয়ার আরম্ভ করেছিলাম আর কলকাতায় আসছি। ধন্যবাদ দাদা। আরো আমরা ডিবেট করব রিপাবলিক বাংলাতে। আই জাস্ট ওয়ান্টেড টু টেল হিম I started my career in Kolkata. Thank you for welcoming the launch of the Republic Bangla channel. I look forward to fighting with you in Bangla also now. Now, sir, can I national interest go back to English? Now, I know you're looking. I hope Mamata Banerjee is also looking forward to the launch of Republic Bangla.
Don't worry.
আপনি দিদিকে জিজ্ঞেস করবেন, উনি আমাকে কখন কংগ্রেচুলেট করবেন যে আপনি বাংলায় আসছেন?
Despite the fact that you will be scolding us, rebuking us, abusing us, I tell you, even if you abuse us, you will not be arrested. You'll not be arrested even if you abuse us. You will continue to abuse us, we know.
Okay, let me come back to the debate. Let me come back. Okay. No, nobody is going to abuse. I debate, don't abuse. Now I'm going to go back to the debate. See, I want to tell you one thing. I don't want to look at it in terms of legality alone. I have full respect for the Supreme Court, and I tell you, you must not doubt the intentions of the Supreme Court. And Supreme Court has permitted 8 different Kisan unions to appear and argue before them after impleading in the case. There is a process in the court. You have to implead. You can't become like Medha Patkar and the Bhim Army chief, suddenly paradrop into a matter, no care, nothing. There is a process. You see, I have been in the courts. So many media journalist unions want to fight with us on our side when we are battling the Mumbai police. They have to implead themselves. There's a process. You have to put in a writ, an affidavit. You have to show your seriousness of intent. So you can't do drama before the Supreme Court. Point number 1. Second point, however, yeah, exactly. Second point I am telling you, M.R. Venkatesh, और इस चीज पर डिबेट हो जाए आज, विवेक जिंगपिंग और चौधरी पुष्पेंद्र सिंह हमारे साथ है. You can debate in English, Hindi, any language. I'll keep translating. See, Chaudhary ji and M.R. Venkatesh, it is time to pick a side now. Why am I saying this? Today, Prime Minister said, and I quote, "I want to reiterate that my government is ready 24 hours to resolve all your disputes." Now, Supreme Court is intervening. Prime Minister has made a second statement in 2 consecutive days. I am saying today, we must pick our side. And what are the 2 sides? Are you with Prime Minister Modi or are you with the Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, who is appeasing the Khalistani constituents?
We are with the farmers.
आप डिसाइड कीजिए चौधरी पुष्पेंद्र सिंह जी. अभी भारत के लोगों को डिसाइड करने का टाइम आ गया. आई विल विद द इंडियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर और विद द कैनेडियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर. नेशन वांट्स टू नो.
And whatever is good for the farmers.
No, you have to pick your side, MR.
It's very clear.
MR. No, you can't avoid this question. You have to pick your side.
जो बात आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कही है,
आप विवेक थोड़ा दूसरों को बोलने दें. चौधरी पुष्पेंद्र सिंह is saying something first. First let चौधरी पुष्पेंद्र सिंह speak, MR. Yeah, चौधरी जी बोलिए.
जी देखिए जो बात आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कही है, सारे देश का किसान मानता है कि जो बातचीत के माध्यम से ही जो है हल होगा. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो बात कही है उससे भी सब लोग सहमत हैं कि भाई आप एक कमेटी बना दी है, कमेटी के माध्यम से जो है बातचीत होगी, दोनों पक्ष बैठेंगे और कोई ना कोई रास्ता निकाला जाएगा. इसी देश के किसान हैं, इसी देश की चुनी हुई सरकार है, उसी के सामने अपने कंसर्न बताने के लिए जो है किसान आए हैं और सर्दी में बाहर रातों में पड़े हुए हैं. तो जल्दी से जल्दी ये वार्ता होनी चाहिए और किसानों के संतुष्टि का कोई ना कोई हल इसमें से निकाला जाना चाहिए.
हाँ, तो अच्छी बात.
पुष्पेंद्र जी से मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. यू सी ग्रेवाल जी, ग्रेवाल जी आपने देखा, जो किसान है वो चाहते हैं बातचीत शुरू हो, मगर जो नेता हैं ग्रेवाल जी की तरह वो चाहते हैं बातचीत नहीं हो. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रही.
अर्नब जी,
आप हाईजैक करना चाहते हैं ग्रेवाल पूरे मामले को, ग्रेवाल जी? आप हाईजैक क्यों करना चाहते हैं ग्रेवाल जी? Why do you want to hijack the issue?
Please.
I am listening, sir.
The government says time and again, even Mr. Narendra Tomar, just on your program few minutes before, saying कि ये कानून अच्छे हैं, सरकार ने सोचकर बनाए हैं, इनमें amendment हो सकती है. See, when you start talking with this thing, or this court says, my final judgment is that your petition is to be dismissed, but I can listen you. What is this? When government is adamant and committed not to withdraw the laws if the farmers convince them, if the negotiation, it has to be with open mind. But if the government says that they are not ready to withdraw the laws and then negotiate,
MR,
that means it's before.
Of course there's an open mind. Are you saying the Supreme Court does not have an open mind? It is a Supreme Court monitored discussion. Are you saying the Supreme Court does not have an open mind?
No, or not, just listen to me for a minute.
You must be out of your mind to say that. Mr. Grewal, let us come to the fact.
I am reminding you, just listen, Mr. Lawyer. I am reminding you, I have 47 years standing at the bar. Honorable Supreme Court, in the case of Mr. Devinder Singh Puller, refused to commute his death sentence to life imprisonment. And just listen it with very care.
What is the relevance? What is the relevance?
Just listen.
What is the relevance?
That relevance, you hear, have patience, don't come to conclusion. When the subsequently petition by the murder, later on when the petition by the murderers of Rajiv Gandhi case, they commuted that death sentence to the life imprisonment, and then the same judge benches, just headed by Justice Singhvi, reviewed their order and withdrawn the first order passed by the case of. See, it's a human error, and it is always there.
No, can I respond to Mr. Garewal? Garewal ji, can I respond?
I tell you, don't crush the farmers with the efforts of the Supreme Court.
First thing, Mr. Grewal, let me tell you, let me tell you on your face. Let me tell you on your face that you are totally wrong to say this is a farmers issue, this is a Punjab farmers issue. Farmers from Gujarat, farmers from Haryana. No, listen. Listen, I listen to you. Have the temerity to listen. No, I am from Tamil Nadu.
You want to crush the farmers of the Punjab? We will not allow that to happen. You want to crush the farmers of Punjab? You don't have. If border the people have to die there from Punjab. No, this is not a farmers issue. This is totally wrong. You don't want to. Don't consider Punjab as part of the country. You don't consider Punjab as part of the country.
Middleman, this is a middleman like you are in the fray. That is because of this. So that is why the Supreme Court had to step in.
Don't consider Punjab. Don't consider Punjab. Why not Punjab? Punjab contributed lots. Mister, you would have been beggar. And Punjab contributed.
Talk for everybody. Don't arrogant to talk for everybody. Why do you say it is a farmers issue? It's a Punjab farmers issue. We will listen to that. आप क्यों मेरे ठेके लेके भागते हैं?
पंजाब फार्मर्स आर नॉट फार्मर.
तमिल फार्मर्स का ठेका किसने दिया आपको? तमिल फार्मर्स का ठेका किसने दिया? बताइए. अरे you are
बताइए आपको क्या पता है? हर जगह
आपको क्या पता है? आपको क्या पता है?
गवर्नमेंट के स्टूजेस ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट.
Just because you abuse Modi, you know everything. Just because you abuse Modi, you know everything.
We suffered. We lost thousands of our people. We lost our thousands of people to protect the country. What you have contributed? What you have accepted to make on television? What is your contribution to the nation? Tell me, what you have done?
Sir, what is your
Gaurav wants to come in also. No, Mr. Grewal, Gaurav also wanted to respond to you, but I want to bring you back to the central point. Please, do you have any regard for the apex court of the country or not? Or are you with the people who have no regard for the judiciary? No, are you with people who have no regard for the judiciary? Today I thought, after the Chief Justice, after the Chief Justice's personal intervention, along with Justice Bopanna and Justice V. Ramasubramaniam, I didn't think I would have this kind of debate. I thought you would all come and say the matter will now happen under Supreme Court jurisdiction, and we should all welcome it. I mean, this is most unnecessary.
This yesterday.
Gaurav Bhatia. Shantanu, I'm coming back to you, Shantanu. Gaurav and Shantanu on one side.
प्लीज सुनिए, प्लीज सुनिए गरवाल जी, सुनिए. मैं चाहता हूँ ये देश बात सुने. आपका सम्मान क्या है मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, सुनिए. आपको मालूम है कि ठीक है आप हमारा विरोध कर रहे हैं, लेकिन किसानों का सम्मान ये है कि हम चाहेंगे हमारे घर में आके रुके. वो हमारे बुजुर्ग हैं, उनके पैर छुएंगे. वो जान देते हैं, किसान जान लेते नहीं है, ये आप भी मानेंगे. दूसरी आपने बहुत अच्छी बात कही ग्रेवाल जी, आपने कहा कि ओपन माइंड से बातचीत होनी चाहिए. तो फिर किसान ये कैसे कह रहे मुलाकात से पहले ही कि जब हम बात करने को तैयार है कि तीनों कानून वापस लिए जाए? ये तो ओपन माइंड नहीं है. और पुष्पेंद्र जी यहाँ पे है अभी सम्मान रखिए गरवाल जी अपनी बारी में. मैंने सुना आपको और मैं अच्छी पुष्पेंद्र भाई से मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ. पुष्पेंद्र जी आप मुझे बताइए, किसानों से हम बात करेंगे, किसान ये भाषा बोलता है हाय हाय मोदी मर जा मोदी. किसान शर्जील इमाम हो गया, किसान उमर खालिद हो गया, असम को अलग कर देंगे भारत से. ये किसान है. नहीं पुष्पेंद्र भाई आप बात करिए, हम बात करेंगे, रात दिन करेंगे, लेकिन अगर
इनके साथ नहीं है, इनके साथ नहीं है गौरव जी. इस तरह के लोग जो गलत बयानी कर रहे हैं इनके साथ बिल्कुल नहीं है. जो गलत बयान कर रहे हैं, देश के खिलाफ बयान कर रहे हैं, प्रधानमंत्री के खिलाफ बयान कर रहे हैं, चुनी हुई सरकार के खिलाफ बयान दे रहे हैं, हम उनके साथ नहीं है. हम केवल खेती किसानी के मुद्दे लेकर के, अपने मुद्दे लेकर के, अपना दर्द बताने के लिए जो है देश की सरकार के पास आए हैं. हम किसी एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट का कोई सपोर्ट नहीं करते.
थैंक यू पुष्पेंद्र जी. अब मेरी बात पूरी हो जाए. ये वो मोदी जी हैं जो 8-10 साल कई दशकों से रिफॉर्म्स नहीं हुए थे, मोदी जी ला रहे. अगर आपको लगता है कोई कमी है, ये और बेहतर हो सकता है. बातचीत करेंगे ना. ये घुसपैठिए क्यों आएंगे हमारे बीच में दंगा कराने?
बिल्कुल
ये चाहते खून बहे देश में, ये नहीं बहेगा. ये किसान का खून है, किसान के खून से देश बना है, आपके पसीने से देश बना है. आपसे बातचीत करेंगे, लेकिन गुंडों से बातचीत नहीं करेंगे. ये बात बिल्कुल स्पष्ट.
नहीं, जो भी एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट है तुरंत उसे पकड़ के जेल में डालिए.
I'd like Shantanu to come in.
I'm personally observing.
I'd like Shantanu to come in with Vivek now, please. Shantanu.
Arnab, from 2014, I'm seeing this breed of unelectables who don't win election, as you quoted. 200 votes, 500 votes is maximum what they get. What they try to do is create confusion, stop roads, hung the economy, and just create confusion. Be in the SC/ST law case, be in Rafale, be in GST, be in CA/NRC, and now in the case of farmer bills. This is the new trend. Create confusion among the people, stop roads, stop the economy, and then just laugh, and then get published in New York Times and Washington Post, or get a statement from the mouth of Trudeau. People like Trudeau. This is a new trend, and great that you exposed him. Media channels like you have exposed them.
No, Shantanu, I'm bringing this debate down to a very simple point. I don't want to overcomplicate it. And Mr. Grewal and Vivek on one side, and Ajay Alok and Shantanu on the other will take the debate forward. Ajay Alok wants to say something to you, and Vivek, let hear Ajay Alok, please, because today there are a lot of people who want reasonable amendments. Everybody is not with the urban Naxals like you, Ajay. We are moving to a solution. Why are you unhappy? I thought you would be extremely happy today.
No, Arnab, they're not.
We are moving towards a structured dialogue, towards a solution, towards leaving this animosity behind. I don't know what the problem is.
Deadlock is.
It seems you wanted this anarchy to go on endlessly.
Pushpenji and Grewal.
No, there is no anarchy.
Who are you to decide whether there will be a solution? Ajay Alok.
Innocent ladies who are doing hi Modi. They are innocent ladies.
पुष्पेंद्र जी मैं बस एक बात कह रहा हूं. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज मॉनिटर्ड कमेटी बना दी. इन द फर्स्ट मीटिंग
के बारे में कुछ पता भी
इफ यू कैन ग्रेवाल जी सुनेंगे
किसानों के बारे में कुछ पता.
अरे एक मिनट यार, विवेक श्रीवास्तव आपसे ज्यादा पता है मुझे, मैं खुद खेती करता हूं. बैठिए आराम से आप. Arnab, could you mute him?
एनआरकी।
अरे यार बैठ जाओ, मैं खुद खेती करता हूँ, तुमने तो खेत देखा भी नहीं होगा, दिल्ली में रहते हो। बैठो एक मिनट।
अरे पार्लियामेंट।
अरे बैठो ना, सुनो ना यार।
For a few years now.
Can you mute him? Arnab, can you mute him? He won't let anybody speak. He is insane.
I have been trying to mute him for quite a few years now.
How dare you pass the bill without talking to the opposition?
No, just mute his volume. He is not. He's mutated actually.
And how
he's mutated actually. He cannot be mute. So you have to put down his volume. Okay, listen. Right now, Supreme Court has ordered a committee, which is Supreme Court monitored. In the very first meeting, Tomar ji suggested that there should be a committee. Arre baitho na yaar. Tomar ji suggested that let's have a committee of the government and the Kisan. Most of the people were agreeing, but they were not allowed to speak. Is that true or not in that meeting? Because those who never wanted a discussion, they never let those farmers speak in the meeting. Now, why today I want to expose just one thing. मैं बस एक चीज expose करना चाहता हूँ कि आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट के कहने के बावजूद आप यहाँ कह रहे हैं कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट को कोई हक नहीं है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट इस तरह का निर्णय दे। ये गवर्नमेंट का काम है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट क्यों कर रही है? तो आपको डिस्कशन ही नहीं करना है। लेकिन बट यू गाइस स्टैंड टू बी एक्सपोज्ड।
इस बात पे किसान नाराज हो गए।
अरे आप बैठो ना यार, ये चाइना की खेती नहीं हो रही है। आप शी जिनपिंग को जाके बोलो, वहां पर नाराजगी होगी तो गोली मार देंगे।
Direct debate between Ajay Alok and Mr. Grewal, please.
कोई एनआरकी नहीं है, कुछ भी एनआरकी नहीं है।
मैं ग्रेवाल साहब से ये कह रहा हूँ कि अरे यार
बहुत बढ़िया बात आपने कही अर्नब जी। I have regard and respect for you. My simple question to Mr. Gaurav Bhatia and the other panelists who are supporting the move of the government, my simple question is that for long period Anna Hazare occupied Ramlila ground and BJP supported him. Was not that violation of the orders of the Supreme Court?
Can I respond?
The orders were much orders were much before that. Second thing, when the Punjab farmers were on the protest for 60 days in Punjab, why the government of India was not opening its eyes? Why they kept silence? Because the match fixing with the government of Punjab was going. Government of Punjab wanted to take this problem with the center, and center wanted let it be settled by Amrinder Singh.
Let me respond. So you made two points. Let me respond.
Third thing is simple.
Sir, there is no time left. Let me respond to the first 2 points, and maybe you will be satisfied after listening to my response.
You have 2 minutes left. Please conclude your points and let Gaurav respond.
Third thing is, Gaurav, if you say that the protests can't be held on the roads, then please explain the people of the country on this channel of Arnab. Then why BJP is taking on roads in West Bengal against Mamta? The law should be same. And fourth and most important question is the states are barred from coming to Delhi? Say answer yes or no. The Punjabis have no right to Delhi? Say we can't come to Delhi. We would not like to come to Delhi.
Thank you. I don't have time. Gaurav is responding.
Quickly.
Thank you, Gaurav. Quickly, Gaurav, 30 seconds.
Mr. Grewal, you gave the example of Ramlila. Read the judgment of the Supreme Court. Lathis were put on these ladies. Some of them were paralyzed. Lathi charge was done at 1 a.m. in the morning. Second point, you spoke about blocking roads. Bengal, BJP is not blocking roads. We are not being given permission to meet the workers there. 130 workers of ours have been killed. It is a violation of Article 19. Third, Punjab. The CM Amrinder Singh now. There is a tweet.
Now let me get 10 seconds to close.
I brought Reliance to Punjab. Do you know APMC Act doesn't exist in Kerala? You don't oppose that. That is why
I'll
double standard.
Good counters, but I have to conclude now, Gaurav. I conclude with the tweet of the day. Vaibhav Ahuja_Vaibhav75 says, Yogendra Yadav is a farmer leader and I am Michael Jackson living in India under a disguise. That's the tweet of the day on debate number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, debate number 2 and 3 on the other side. The debate is only warming up. I'm going to be back in a few minutes with why Kamala Hassan's comment is becoming controversial and more on the Uniform Civil Code.